J.K. Rowling is on a warpath against the trans delusion and no one is going to stop her. The Harry Potter author celebrated a win recently when the Supreme Court in the UK handed down a ruling that Rowling has fought for years. A trans woman will no longer be considered a woman by law in the UK, a win for common sense and the safety and security of women. But not everyone agrees with her. In fact, the stars of the new Harry Potter series that she is producing were signatories of a letter proclaiming their support for the trans community and criticising J.K. Rowling and the judgment in the UK. The author hit back in a lengthy post on X saying, "In light of recent open letters from academia and the arts criticising the UK's Supreme Court ruling on sex-based rights, it's possibly worth remembering that nobody sane believes or has ever believed that humans can change sex or that binary sex isn't a material fact. These letters do nothing but remind us of what we know only too well, that pretending to believe that these things has become an elitist badge of virtue." She then went further in a scathing attack against the Harry Potter actors, adding, "I often wonder whether the signatories of such letters have to quieten their consciences before publicly boosting a movement intent on removing women's and girls' rights, which bullies gay people who admit openly they don't want opposite-sex partners, and campaigns for the continued sterilisation of vulnerable and troubled kids. Do they feel any qualms at all while chanting the foundational lie of their religion? Trans women are women, trans men are men." Online commentators applauded Rowling for standing up for her beliefs, with Ollie London saying, "Great statement and well done for calling them out. They have turned their back on women in the name of trying to advance their careers in Hollywood." This person agrees, saying, thank you for standing up for all women, right from day one. Thank you." Many are calling for Rowling to sack the actors who signed the letters defying her from the latest Harry Potter series. However, Rowling is opposed to this, saying, "I don't have the power to sack an actor from the series, and I wouldn't exercise it if I did. I don't believe in taking away from people's jobs or livelihoods because they hold legally protected beliefs that differ from mine." Rowling's comments come as the new Harry Potter series is being slammed for the woke casting, with a black actor being cast as Snape. This commentator was outraged, saying, "My rage knows no depths. This is not Snape. That will never be Snape. He could have been cast in the role of another wizard, but not that role. Snape is consistently and repeatedly described as pale, and in later books having an almost ghostly appearance."